Hello, everyone. In this section, we are going to set up the simulation environment that will be used throughout the course. Before we begin the installation, let us first understand what AirSim is and why it is useful. AirSim stands for Aerial Informatics and Robotics Simulation. It is an open source simulation platform originally developed by Microsoft Research. It is mainly designed for autonomous systems, especially drones and self-driving cars. One important feature of AirSim is its support for multiple types of vehicles and sensors. It can simulate drones, ground vehicles, and other devices. It also provides virtual sensors such as cameras, GPS, and LiDAR. AirSim can work with flight control platforms such as Picture4 and AudioPilot. It also supports software in the loop and hardware in the loop simulation. In software in the loop simulation, both the vehicle and the controller run as the software. In hardware in the loop simulation, a real flight controller can interact with a virtual vehicle. Another major advantage of AirSim is data generation. Training an AI model often requires a large amount of data. However, collecting this data with real drones can be expensive and risky. In AirSim, we can repeatedly simulate flights, camera views, weather conditions, obstacles, and even collisions. AirSim is built mainly around UE, which provides realistic graphics and physics. It can create detailed environments such as cities, mountains, roads, and indoor spaces. Also, it is compatible with Windows and Linux. AirSim also supports multi-drone simulation, so it can be used to study formation flight and distributed control. Now, open source version of AirSim is no longer actively maintained, but users can still access the historical code. There are several teams continue development based on it. In this course, we will use the drone inspection environment released with the project, ChatGPT for robotics, design principles, and model abilities. This environment is already packaged for use, so we don't need to build a complete UE project from scratch. To install it, just open the release page provided in the notebook and download the simulation package. After the download is complete, unzip the AirSim inspection file, then run executable file. This is a typical island with windmills. We could press F1 to see the help panel, and you can see the keyboard shortcuts. This simulator will provide the virtual world in which our later Python programs and AI agents can interact with the drone. Thank you. That's all.